cover the basics of how to change an address within the data table. You'd use this in a situation where, let's say you had your show wired up and it turns out there's a bad terminal on one of your field modules. So you need to move that shot to a different terminal, and which would ultimately mean a different address. And that could be on the same module. It could be moved to a different module. You would use the same process and procedure for either case. So first thing we're going to do, turn the system on. And in the operating mode section here, data table is the choice all the way over on the right, so we're going to press that. Then the first thing you want to do is select the table to make sure you're in the appropriate table. So that's choice 4. Right now table 3 is selected, and that is the one we want to edit. So I'm just going to hit enter. Now it's back to where it would be if you just initially pressed the data table with your choices here. So we're going to hit 0 to edit the table. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go to the address that we want to edit. So we're going to hit go to address, and the address that we want to change is address 039. So that's module 03, terminal number 9. So 039, because it's asking you to locate by address once you hit go to address, and then we punched in 039, enter. So now it's on that particular line. Line 4, shot 4, 44 seconds, 19 frames, address 039 would be fired. So we want to move that to module 1 delta QF as in Frank. So it's asking for the new address, so we just hit 1 delta Frank and hit enter. Now you can see that same line 4, shot 4, the same 44 seconds, 19 frames. It is now going to fire address 1 delta F instead of the 039. So we have now changed the address of that shot in the show script. When you're done editing the table, you simply hit stop and turn the power off.